Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest tech products on the market. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Sodola 10GBASE-Sr Sfp Plus transceiver. The Sodola 10GBASE-Sr Sfp Plus transceiver is a high-performance networking component designed for 10 Gigabit Ethernet connections. It operates at a wavelength of 850 nanometers and supports multimode fiber, providing data transmission of up to 300 meters. One of the standout features of this transceiver is its wide compatibility. It's compatible with various networking equipment, including Cisco SFP 10GSR, Meraki MA SFP 10GBASE-Sr, Ubiquiti Uni FIU FM 10G, Fortinet, Microtik, Netgear, D-Link, Supermicro, TP-Link, and more. This makes it a versatile choice for users with different networking setups. Installing the Sodola transceiver is a breeze. It's a plug-and-play device, which means it's hot-swappable and doesn't require complex setup. This simplicity makes it suitable for network switches, servers, and NICs, making it ideal for various applications, including network-attached storage area networks, and high-performance computing. The Sodola transceiver boasts a rugged and wear-resistant casing made from high-quality alloy, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's designed with low power consumption, consuming less than 1.05 watts while in operation. Additionally, it has a low EMI radiation design, which contributes to its efficiency. This transceiver is compliant with the SFP MSA standard and IEEE 802.3A standard, ensuring it meets industry specifications. It operates in a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, providing reliable performance in various environmental conditions. Sodola is committed to customer satisfaction and offers a product replacement service within 1 year. Their focus on user experience and support sets them apart in the transceiver market. The Sodola 10GBASE-Sr Sfp Plus transceiver offers excellent value for its price, especially when compared to more expensive alternatives. It allows you to upgrade your network to 10G speeds without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Sodola 10GBASE-Sr Sfp Plus transceiver is a reliable and cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their network to 10 gigabit speeds. With wide compatibility, easy installation, durability, and low power consumption, it's a versatile choice for various networking applications. If you're in the market for a high-quality transceiver that won't break the bank, the Sodola option is worth considering. That's it for today's review of the Sodola 10GBASE-Sr Sfp Plus transceiver. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments below. If you have any questions or want to see more reviews like this, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next product critique video.